All right, starting the next day of the trip. Gotta say the campground was interesting last night. At 9 o'clock, the fireworks started in the campsite right behind me. Actual fireworks. And then the campsite right next to me, they were having some kind of a story time over there, reading books to each other and stories and poetry and moving on. Boarding the ferry for Vermont after about 240 miles from where I left from this morning. I'm gonna get out and take a little video of cruising across the bay, I guess. Leaving the ferry. Never mind the junk on my windshield and around my windshield and the crack in the windshield.
Leave the ferry.
I already left the ferry. GPS.
In 3/4 of a mile, keep left to Ferry Road. In 3/4 of a mile, keep
Well, I think this is going to be about the last segment for the day. This is day 3 of the road trip. I am in the live free or die state, New Hampshire right now. And so far in the 20 miles I've been here, I've seen about that many signs telling me what I can and can't do. So much for the live free. Oh well. I hope I'm not developing any trouble. About 40 miles back, while I was still in Vermont, I heard a growl. Could have been a brake, could have been something else. But it went right away, so that confused me a little bit. I'm hoping it'll come back here in a little bit so I can tell what it is. Otherwise, I may be cutting this trip short. I'm sitting here waiting for traffic right now. They're sweeping the road and doing nothing. Weird. Oh well, I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing together and start it uploading. Probably won't take more than 2 or 3 hours to upload. Don't have much signal. Nope. With that being said, I'm out. Salty Dog out.